Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel and new video, where we help you build and grow your online presence. Today, we're excited to help you build and grow your online presence with a step-by-step guide to creating a monetizable WordPress blog. Whether you're a beginner or looking to take your blog to the next level, this video will show you how to set up your blog, attract readers, and start making money. Let's dive in. First things first, before you can build your blog, you'll need hosting and a domain. If you're new here, be sure to check out my previous video in this playlist where I show you how to get free hosting and a domain. Let's get started the video. Open your web browser and log into your WordPress dashboard. Before you install any themes and plugins to build your site, make sure to uninstall any WordPress themes and plugins that you're not using. This helps your site run faster and perform better overall. By keeping only what you need, you create a more efficient website that's quick and responsive for visitors. In the left-hand menu, click on Plugins. This will show you a list of all plugins currently installed on your site. Look through the list and identify the plugins you want to delete. Consider if they are no longer needed, outdated, or redundant. Before you can delete a plugin, you need to deactivate it. Find the plugin you want to delete and click on Deactivate below its name. If it's already deactivated, you can skip this step. Once deactivated, you will see the option to delete the plugin. Click on Delete, and WordPress will ask you to confirm whether you want to delete the plugin and its files. Confirm by clicking Yes, delete these files. In the left-hand menu, hover over Appearance and click on Themes. Click the Add New button at the top, then use the search bar to find Cream Magazine. The Cream Magazine WordPress theme is a popular theme designed specifically for online magazines, news websites, and blogs. It typically features a clean and modern design, customizable layout options, various widget areas for advertisements and content, responsive design for mobile devices, and often includes options for custom colors, fonts, and page templates. Once you find the theme, click Install, and then click Activate. After activating the theme, you might see a notification at the top of your dashboard indicating that the theme recommends or requires certain plugins. These notifications usually have a link or button to begin installing the plugins. If you don't get that notification, go to your dashboard. Look for the Appearance section on the left-hand sidebar. Click on Themes to view the themes currently installed on your website. Open the Cream Magazine. Click on the link Install Plugins to view the list of required and recommended plugins. You will be redirected to a page listing these plugins. Select all the plugins you need to install by checking the boxes next to their names. With the required plugins selected, choose Install from the drop-down menu at the top or bottom of the plugin list and click Apply. WordPress will begin downloading and installing the selected plugins.
A few moments later.
The installation will take a few minutes. Once completed, refresh the page, and you will see the plugin list. After the plugins are installed, you need to activate them. Checkmark all them and choose Activate from the drop-down menu at the top or bottom of the plugin list and click Apply. WordPress will begin activating the selected plugins. After that, to activate the theme, go to the theme again and import the demo content of the Cream Magazine. By following these steps, you'll successfully activate the theme and import the demo content for Cream Magazine.
A few moments later.
Cream Magazine is a news and magazine WordPress theme with a clean and modern design suitable for everyone who wishes to share their stories, publish a breaking daily news, or write on different topics. Everything in Cream Magazine is very easy to deal with. After assigning a front page, one can fully get started to build a website the WordPress Live Customizer. Cream Magazine is built taking SEO, speed, and responsive in mind. This WordPress theme provides widget areas where you can drag and drop widgets. Some ad management plugins allow you to create ad widgets that you can easily place into these widget areas. It's a simple and customizable theme. Navigate to the dashboard, go to Pages, where you can add new pages, remove existing ones, or edit their names to improve your blog organization. To learn more about making changes, setting up pages and categories, and easily monetizing your blog. Stay tuned and follow this channel. Watch the next video for detailed guidance on these topics and take your blogging to the next level. In our upcoming video, we'll guide you through setting up your own blog from scratch. Learn how to create custom pages tailored to your content, streamline your site by removing unnecessary pages and categories, upload your very first blog post, and monetize your blog by strategically placing ads. Stay tuned for step-by-step instructions on how to make your blog not only functional but also profitable. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about WordPress, don't forget to check out our dedicated playlist linked below. Dive deeper into mastering WordPress and discover tips, tricks, and tutorials that will take your website to the next level. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest uploads. See you next time.